Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to resolve Explorer.exe error system call failed. So this should hopefully be a pretty quick tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So in order to hopefully resolve the problem here, we're going to go ahead and try and see if we can get any Internet Explorer bugs taken care of. So we're going to start by going into the start menu. Just left click on it one time, and then you want to type in run into the search. Best match should come back a run above desktop app. Left click on that one time, and now into this field you want to type in Explorer. So hopefully that has gotten Explorer back up and running. So if you're still having issues, I would also suggest disabling any startup items that might be clogging up your computer. So head over to the taskbar in the bottom of your screen, right click on it, left click on Task Manager. Left click on the Startup tab. See if there's anything weird or anything recently installed in here. Maybe you'd want to consider disabling it or removing it. So that's just another thing for you to explore. Something else you can try would be to open up the Start menu again, type in Device Manager. Open up Device Manager, which should be listed right above Control Panel. So left click on that one time. So if we expand the display adapter section here, should be a display adapter listed in here. If you right click on it and left click on Update Software, left click on Search automatically for updated driver software. Now I recommend trying to let it run, see if it fixes anything. If it doesn't find anything in general, you can also try uninstalling it and then just restart your computer as well, and it should automatically reinstall whatever version was on here before. So just be patient. This will take a minute just to actually search to see if there are any updates available online. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.